Also, wie sieht Gott für dich aus?
What does God look like for you? What does God look like to you? How does God see God?
God expresses himself or herself in many ways. And if you learn how to look with attention, mindfulness, you can see God as a flower, a tiny flower on your path of walking meditation. You can see God as the sunshine. You can see God as a river. You can see God as a little boy or little girl. So it is with the energy of mindfulness, concentration and insight that you can recognize God. And God is not confined into in a particular form. God expresses herself in a multitude of forms. And God is always present in the here and the now. And if you are so busy, you cannot get in touch with God. One more question for Shulta.